Traders, we are back with an update of this week's trading series. It's a Tuesday today, it's just the following day, and it's a few minutes past 8 a.m. It's pretty early in the morning. I've already posted the Monday's part of this video, so I'm going to leave a link down below because I do want people to know that I'm doing these things live, no manga business. I post my analysis, I post my trades, and I post my take profit. But if you check on the left here, we are looking at a DXY chart, and if you still recall, yesterday we were expecting the market after that break of the previous structure, we were expecting this thing to continue with that push to the downside. Now I'm not sure if we are gonna get to that level there, but that is the next zone that's gonna give us problems should we push all the way to that level there. If you are on a trade, or if you took any trades on the DXY, now is the best time for you to move your stop loss to break even or take some profits off the market, so that if the market decides to come back and kicks you out, then you know that you took some profits off the market. Because rather that than to see the market kick you out with a stop loss and you were all the way deep in profits, is really not nice. So for that reason, we're gonna manage our trades here. Just move your stop loss, take some profits off the market, and let's keep it moving. I do not trade the DXY, so I didn't take any trades on the DXY. This is just for visual purposes only. But if you did take the if you took any trades on the DXY, then this is what it will look like in terms of trade management. Let's move on to EURUSD, because that is a pair that I really like to trade. If you still remember yesterday, after that break of the previous structure, we were around that exhaustion and we were expecting the market to continue with the push all the way to around this level here. Now throughout the night, we managed to push and break above the previous highs, and for that reason I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even or to take some profits off the market. I like taking some profits off the market when I'm managing my trades. Number one is because I want to be on the positive side once all the spreads and the trading costs have been paid, but also I like seeing the blue numbers on my trading platform. So it's just a nice feeling for me, and it's good for my psychology. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move my stop loss to take some profits off the market, so that if this thing decides to push all the way to the downside and kick me out, then I know that I didn't lose anything in the markets, and then I will have more money to continue risking, continue hunting for more trades. But that's the story with the EURUSD. We're just gonna move our stop loss, take some profits off the market, and see if this thing can continue with that push to the upside. Let's move on to GBPUSD, because we did take the GBPUSD as well. GBPUSD, if you took any trades on the GBPUSD, this now might be a time to manage your trade. But also, if you didn't take any trades on the EURUSD, today might provide some nice opportunities for us to take some buys there, and I might double down on my trades, to be honest with you. But this is what the next trade will look like. We'll see what the market does right there with this retest, but ideally I would like to see a big bullish candle confirming to me that there is still some strength of the bulls to push the market to the upside if the DXY is to continue pushing to the downside. But that is the story on the EURUSD and the GBPUSD. So if you are on a trade here, just make sure you manage your trades, take some profits off the market, and observe what the market is going to do next. But if you didn't take any trade, then this might be your opportunity. Just observe what the market is going to do then. Any signs of bulls that we get, or if that candle closes as a big bullish candle, then we can jump into the trade to profit throughout the rest of the day. So initially I am targeting this level here, but I have to be worried with the previous level that I see on the left there, because the market might give me some problems when it gets there. So for that reason, if you are taking your trade, the safest way you can take your profits is around this level here on the GBPUSD. But we'll be back with an update to show you guys what really played out there. Let's move on to New Zealand dollar USD. Ooh, what a beautiful trade. This thing is deep in profits. After violating the yesterday's previous highs, we were around this retest here, and we were anticipating this thing to continue pushing to the upside. Now, the reason I really love this one is because we already violated the previous highs, and not just shy of a pip, we really violated the previous highs. So it makes sense for the New Zealand dollar USD to continue pushing all the way to the upside to smash our take profit. But if you're not in any trade here, just wait for a retest before you can execute to the upside. But in terms of trade management, you know how it is. We're going to take some profits off the markets, just so if this thing decides to come back and kick us out at the stop loss, we know that we managed to secure some pips of these markets here. But that is it for today, guys. It's a Tuesday. It's 13 minutes past 8, and I'll be back with another update. But otherwise, manage your risk properly.